Addiction, noun. Uncountable, countable. The condition of being unable to stop using or doing something as a habit, especially something harmful. Examples: cocaine addiction. Addiction to something. He is now fighting his addiction to alcohol. An addiction to TV game shows, social media, gambling. Collocations. Illnesses. Becoming ill. Catch a cold, an infectious disease, the flu, British English, flu, pneumonia, a virus, informal, a bug. Get, British English, ill, North American English, sick, a disease, AIDS, breast cancer, a cold, the flu, British English, flu, a migraine. Come down with a cold, the flu, British English, flu. Contract a deadly disease, a serious illness, HIV, AIDS. Be infected with a virus, a parasite, HIV. Develop cancer, diabetes, a rash, an ulcer, symptoms of hepatitis. Have a heart attack, a stroke. Provoke, trigger, produce an allergic reaction. Block, burst, rupture a blood vessel. Damage, sever a nerve, an artery, a tendon. Being ill. Feel, British English, ill, nauseous, queasy. Be running, British English, a temperature, North American English, a fever. Have a head cold, diabetes, heart disease, lung cancer, a headache, British English, a high temperature, North American English, a fever. Suffer from asthma, malnutrition, frequent headaches, bouts of depression, a mental disorder. Be laid up with, British English, be in bed with a cold, the flu, British English, flu, a migraine. Nurse a cold, a headache, a hangover. Battle, fight cancer, depression, addiction, alcoholism. Treatments. Examine a patient. Diagnose a condition, disease, disorder. Be diagnosed with cancer, diabetes, schizophrenia. Prescribe, be given, be on, take drugs, medicine, medication, pills, painkillers, antibiotics. Treat somebody for cancer, depression, shock. Have, undergo an examination, an operation, surgery, a kidney transplant, therapy, chemotherapy, treatment for cancer. Have, be given an injection, British English, a flu jab, North American English, a flu shot, a blood transfusion, a scan, an X-ray. Cure a disease, an ailment, cancer, a headache, a patient. Prevent the spread of disease, further outbreaks, damage to the lungs. Be vaccinated against the flu, British English, flu, the measles, British English, measles, polio, smallpox. Enhance, boost, confer, build immunity to a disease. Extra examples. He stole money from his parents to feed his addiction. He was struggling to beat his heroin addiction. She had an addiction to heroin. Word origin. Late 16th century, denoting a person's inclination, from Latin addictio, n, from addicere. A sign. From ad, to, plus dicere, say.